We spent our days on the coast of something beautiful. We got pulled into the tide of something real. But somehow I lost you on the way. I assumed you left me behind. Lifeless days and sleepless nights, so tired of it. I can't get you off my mind, can't forget it. Now I know what I've got to do is find my way back to you. Hey, oh, why did it take us so long? Hey, oh, while I was dancing on my own. Hey, oh, and now my prayers been answered in my darkest time. 'Cause now I found you. Waiting on the day you would come back to me, hoping that I didn't burn a bridge I couldn't see. And now that you're by my side again, I'll never leave you behind. Lifeless days and sleepless nights, so tired of it. I can't get you off my mind, can't forget it. Now I know what I've got to do is find my way back to you. Midnight and city lights on the other side. You're calling me up at the same time. I'm in the daylight. You're calling to say hi, but your words, they cry. If there's something that you need to say, I know it ain't easy living inside your brain, for sure. You keep telling me that it's all okay, but I know, yeah, your silence speaks so loud. Your silence speaks so loud. And I hear you calling up, yeah.
Chad, baby, what is going on? I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are ready for this. It's early Friday, fake Friday. So I hope you guys are feeling good. It is around the corner. We're going to finish this week strong. Another W week in the bag. So let's wrap it up nicely today again. Give us a little heads up there on that audio if it is a bit loud or if it is sounding good. As you guys can see, I got the other big trader in the building. Mr. Ed Cat here with me today for New York. I heard a few guys were asking so many questions about the Power Rangers, so I thought let me just bring the man here. Ed,
Go Power Ranger.
how are you doing, brother?
Doing well. Chad, how are you guys doing? I am loving Fake Friday and keen for the real Friday coming up soon.
Hey, there we go. Okay, guys, I am going to be just monitoring the volume here, making sure that is all right. But also, on the other note, sorry, Chad, this is the issue we're just dealing with here quickly. So all of that there is sorted now. But as always, the little trend we've been starting here, New York session, if you are the guest, you're going to be opening us up with a prayer.
Oh, is that how this works? Okay.
So it's over to you, my brother. Guys, we are going to open up with prayer now.
All right.
So, Edsky, over to you, bro.
All right, Chad, join me in prayer. Dear Heavenly Father, please bless this session that we are about to go into. We are entering one of the most difficult industries, one of the most difficult fields to make money in. This is something that can cause a lot of frustration, cause a lot of sadness, cause a lot of for lack of a better word, depression. So please bless us as we go into this endeavor right now. Please help us keep our minds even, not to revenge trade, not to be greedy, not to go against your word, but instead to do this to the best of our abilities and to reap what we sow. We ask this in your heavenly name. Amen.
Amen. There we go, guys. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. Sorted, bro. Perfect. All right, guys, so quickly before we get into all that other good stuff, if you are in the building and you're here, part of the chat, and you are from Cape Town, we're going to show you guys two little things very, very quickly. So just bear with me. We're going to bring it up for you guys because you do not want to miss this. So just getting that there for you guys. Let me pull it up on the screen, then you guys will be able to see it there nicely as well. Let me bring that audio back up as well. There's a lot going on here in a space of a few minutes, guys. There's a lot going on. So just making sure you guys have got everything. There we go. Okay, I can lock in here. Now, guys, let's quickly bring it over to my screen just so you guys can see what am I talking about. So if you are from Cape Town, guys, if you go over to Vault Funder, you can do there. Just click on the website, Vault Funder, and you can see there's a new little button there, US30 Masterclass. You go over, click that, and there you guys can go and sign up for the event if you haven't yet. The US30 Masterclass, 14th to the 15th of March in Cape Town. Prop firms, technicals, fundamentals, and you got myself, the big man, Chris D, and Miles Van Wyk coming at you guys, so make sure you don't miss out for that one. We're going to see you guys there middle of March. We are super excited for it. Again, it is for free, guys. Doesn't cost you a cent, so just go over, fill in your details, and book your spot. Lyndon, we are actually doing that after Cape Town, so when we get back from Cape Town, PE, you are up next. Have the dates changed, Keegs? Nah, same dates, bro. We technically get there the 13th and we leave the 16th, but the event is the 14th, 15th, the Friday, Saturday. So yeah, same dates. But yeah, guys, that is it. So make sure you go and sign up for that. You don't want to miss out on this one. But now that all of that is done, let's get into the good stuff. Starting us off with the fundamental chats. So let's see what is going on there. So what is happening today? I thought you guys were coming on the 6th. No, my brother, the next weekend. The next weekend. So obviously Trump speaking at midnight. I'm not too sure about that one, but that's what markets are trying to tell us here. Again, I think maybe they're just trying to get people up and about. But yeah, I definitely am not watching Trump talk at midnight. But the main one, 3:30, what we want to have a look at here, unemployment claims, and again, coming out hotter than expected. 214, expected 215, coming in at 219. Also seeing a drop in Philly Ed Manufacturing Index. So again, not looking too good for the dollar there going into New York session. 7 o'clock crude oil inventories, but we will be out of the markets by then. So before it is too late, let's go over to the charts and see what is happening. So again, let's start us off here with DXY as always. Now, DXY for me, guys, neutral with a little bit more of a bearish outlook, and purely because, again, this was the idea. We want to see that comeback. We want to see that weekly pivot. It's being tested. It's holding. We're back underneath the monthly S1. I am going to have a bit more of a bearish outlook on the dollar going into today. So we can see that same move there, just grinding away your technical bearish structure, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, and just carrying on all the way down. If we hold on the previous daily low, we're going to go bearish. Previous daily S2 and previous weekly low, the targets for me there. So again, I am leaning a bit more bearish on the dollar for today. Going over to NASDAQ, let me pull my price chart a bit to the left for you guys. There we go. So again, NASDAQ holding this area. Now, guys, I'm pretty much very neutral at this point now for NASDAQ and US 30. And that just comes down to the idea of we are in a range. We are not moving. It is honestly not where I want to be trading. Obviously, the cracker is a mechanical strategy, so it takes the emotion out of it. What it gives me, I take the trade. But normally, this is not looking too good. Just purely going off that we are holding these levels, such as that monthly R1. This was perfect retest yesterday for it. It's testing, holding again. Asia highs untested, back above this move here now. The EQ is coming into play, previous weekly highs. So if we hold above here, I definitely will go bullish, basically finishing off the rest of the week on NASDAQ. US 30, again, funny enough, we are trying to break lower. And we saw this played out yesterday. We came here, and again, back in the range. We went down, pulled all the way back up. Yesterday, almost a little kind of doji candle there. Came down all the way back up. But the big thing for me, guys, and why I might go bullish for today is the fact we are back in the range, and two signals. Firstly, this. I always talk to guys about this candle, and secondly, taking out that previous daily low. So even though we're in a range, we were very extended, big wick showing us like we're trying to turn around. Holding this, we are holding that weekly pivot. If this thing can go bullish and flip and go back, even though it's going back into the range, I think we can go back up. But if it does drive lower, this could be the day we eventually break lower. But just purely because of that taking a previous daily lows, I think there is that good chance of us turning around. So that's the only reason I'm a little bit more bullish on it. But otherwise, still just neutral because of the range. Then last with gold, before I give over to the big man. Gold again, I'm not saying I'm neutral. Obviously, it is a very bullish market, but just because we're already at that yearly R1 and we're rejecting this monthly R2, we're finally starting to see some rejection coming in here. I am leaning a bit there. If this thing breaks under that weekly R1, I definitely want to be looking at some of those sells. So literally like where we're trading now, if this thing for me can hold under Asia lows, daily pivot EQ, I'm going to be looking to take the sells off there, and daily S1, daily S2, depending on how we break it. Because again, not only that daily S1, the previous day low, if we can break that, see volume come in, and we hold that daily S1, obviously daily S2 becomes our target. And then, hey, we might as well just go for the psychological 2900 again. So it could get a nice move on gold as well as that short-term pullback. But that is pretty much everything for me and what I'm looking at for the day. Big man Ed, over to you, brother.
Laka source of cracker. Okay, let's start off with NAS. I'm already in NAS buys right now, so I'm hoping that we bounce off this little EQ into a little bit more bullish pressure. So right now I am mostly bullish on NAS for the session. So what I'm hoping for here is maybe a little bit of retest of the EQ into Asia highs, which is my target here, where I will take out, and then we might get a little bit more bullish pressure past Asia highs. Maybe going for all-time highs again, maybe not, but I think we are going to get a little bit of bullish pressure on NAS for the session today, or at least that is what I am expecting. On US 30, let me just adjust this quickly. Don't know why my 2G's indicator does this to me. Similar to what Keegan's looking for, I am expecting a little bit more bullish pressure, particularly on US 30 again. I want to see what happens at the EQ during market open. If we were a little bit further away from market open, I would have probably already had a buy limit sitting on the EQ itself. Right now, I want to see what happens at the daily pivot. What I'm anticipating market open might do, bounce off the EQ, break, retest of the daily pivot, and then go for Asia highs, which remain untested for right now, which is also why I'm leaning towards the bullish pressure right now. We came very close to Asia highs, turned around just before, and I like saying in the markets, things don't happen by mistake or accident. We didn't reach Asia highs for a reason, so I'm thinking they're saving that for a later move, so that's what I'm going to be hoping for. That's me, NAS US 30. I'm not looking at anything else for this session today. Gold at all-time highs. That is not my cup of tea.
All right. Ed, I'm just going to leave it there for you quickly just while I'm sorting out the project. You guys.
You do your thing, homie. You do your thing. We're finding a little bit of resistance at the daily pivot. But I do think, again, Asia highs untested at a minimum. I am break even on this trade, so I'm hoping we don't do a little spike back down before we turn around at market open, which can sometimes happen, and if it does, c'est la vie. But yeah, I want this target because this is my main account, and it is in massive drawdown right now. So this is gonna help crawl me back out. But yeah, why I took this trade, classic little Asian range play. We swept Asia lows, closed back in on the 15-minute, and on that, I entered at the a buy stop just above the 15-minute closure I was looking for. We have the monthly, I believe there's a monthly R1. What is this line? Monthly R1, yeah. So we have the monthly R1 that we broke back into as support. Had a 30 pip stop on this for a 68 pip target. So Chris is onto something with that Asian range, guys. If we break Asia lows and break back in, where are we going? Asia has.
Let's see what the markets are trying to cook up here for us, guys. Going to be WNS's Keys and Ed Shadlinden.
Thank you, brother. Thank you. Appreciate you.
Just trying to get everything back up here again.
Yeah, I'm actually hoping Bitcoin tanks. Like I'm out on all my Bitcoin. I want a little retrace before I go back in.
Oh, there we go, guys. We are all split screen. We are ready to go. Time to see what the markets are going to cook up for us today.
Is that US 30 now?
What?
Oh, no, your previous one. I think that was gold.
Oh, that was gold, yeah.
Yeah, that was gold. I was like, did we dip back below the EQ?
Spell check on cars today. Do you want to fight? Wait. What's going on here, guys?
Oh, I think me saying I want Bitcoin to take a dive.
Yeah.
Just to like, where do I want it? Like 70,000, man. Small little tank.
Let's see, guys. We basically have 5 minutes till market open. I hope you guys are locked in here. Going to be an interesting one, guys. I really do think this is going to be an interesting market open for us.
Bring on the bulls, man. Bring on the bulls.
I'll be interested to see if markets do have a nice retracement here, though. DXY, the thing for me is, does it hold this momentum there? Like I said, as long as under previous daily low, 100% I think it's got a chance. But let's see what the indices are going to do. Look at gold. I love when guys are like, look at gold. And we've been looking at gold. We've broke it down only like 5 minutes ago. But gold is having some issues. It's been gold's been a very dangerous pair, I think, for people lately.
Yeah, listen.
I think this year gold 100% has been the most volatile pair. Yeah, T, you saw how big it is, right? Keegan, I signed up for the Cape Town meetup. Are we supposed to receive confirmation? I haven't received anything. Joe, that's on the back end with the guys. I don't know if you do, brother. I actually don't know. That's on the back end. Maybe you do, maybe you don't. I'll have to follow up for you. While we wait, there is... Okay, we got 4 minutes. Let me quickly go ask and find out for you guys.
Trades have been rough this month. Don't I know it, Neo? Yo. It has been, what's the thing? February has not been kind. February has not been kind. But we're still in the game, man. It ain't over till the account blows. Gold sent me the blue ribbon this year. Left the sourdough. That's funny. Mo has been killing it. Mo, I was saying the other day, like, when did I become the worst trader in the office? Like, Keegan's killing it, Chris doing well, Mo is absolutely killing the game, Miles doing his thing, and I was like, no, man. When did I become the worst one here? What's going on? But it's okay. I'll do a little turnaround. Which it's actually funny. All my funded accounts, deep in drawdown. All my personal accounts, which I've like downscaled because I've been focusing on my funded, all my personal accounts are up. And I'm like, I don't know what I'm doing differently. I need to sit down with myself. I need to have a conversation with me and be like, listen, what are you doing? What's going on?
All right, Joey. Spoke with the guy now. So what's going to happen is basically, as you saw when you do fill your details in, you'll see it does say there underneath very quickly. It will tell you you have successfully registered or whatever it says, but it does tell you that you was successful. Then basically at the end of the week, we're going to do a mass email that goes out for all the guys at that time that have already registered. So you are there, and it will have gone through, but then end of week you will get like another one basically every week for the guys that have been new signups and stuff like that. Gold slapped me Tuesday and watched my trade run away yesterday, so just one up this week. Brian, bro, you must just ask Plamena to trade for you. She apparently has a 100% win rate. Yeah, Lyndon, it's been a crazy start to the year. I think a lot of guys are... And you know what, I think purely this is where it comes back down to teaching the guys in that, where we always used to talk about not every day is a trading day.
Yeah.
So, like, that's what I said personally, like US 30, if I wasn't trading the cracker, then don't touch that. That is a messy chart. It's like you don't want to trade those conditions.
It's a hard thing to accept, but sometimes you gotta look at the chart and be like, I don't know what the hell's going on, and I don't think the market does either. I'm out. I'm gonna come back tomorrow. That's not you being scared or you not being hardcore. That's you being smart.
Yeah. Hey, Alex, good morning, Keeks. I'm jumping into Nas bars, putting the house on.
Hey!
I have a feeling that Nas is going to have a huge candle and no entry and just run. Yeah, I definitely think Nas can do that, bro. That monthly R1 holding that held yesterday, you're back in the range, you're back above, you're holding that previous weekly high now, Asia highs untested, and then run back to those all-time highs and previous daily highs. I think it's definitely on the cards for Nas. Alright, team, and that is it. Markets are open. Ding 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 ding. Round 8. Fight.
Let's go. Come on, baby.
Let's see what happens.
Come on, baby.
What are you guys going to be trading here today?
Let's get my everything in order here. No.
I think markets are going to be an interesting one today.
I'm hoping for some volatility.
Bro, I just want the markets to break out of the ranges, bro. That's
Dude,
like it for me.
It's been in the range, my guy. It has been in the range. I have been in this trade since 9:30 this morning. It's been a freaking long one.
It's testing you, bro. It wants to just see how committed are you.
I will admit though, coming from an SMC background,
Yeah.
I'm used to holding trades, so it doesn't bother me. Like I've seen Mo hold a trade,
Yeah.
and the man looks at it every 5 minutes. Like he can't step away.
Nah, yeah. Yeah, that's a bit of a problem, bro.
I'm saying I'm used to like, okay, set my alerts, walk away. Although now being on stream, it's like okay, I don't actually want to watch this play out.
Yeah. I don't actually want to watch.
I don't actually want to watch. I would much rather put on some YouTube and forget this is happening for a bit. Sorry, I have ADHD. It's okay, Mo. We forgive you.
Markets are vibrating, but what are they gonna do?
In the wrong direction. Go back. Go back. Fat one, go back.
What are you wanting?
I want buys.
For Naz, eh?
Yeah. And not even a lot, man. 30 pips? What is this? Just 40 pips. Just a young then you can do whatever you want afterwards. What's US 30 doing? Also selling. Oh no, you're in Naz too. Let's see here.
Yeah, how much in Naz?
No, US 30 buying. See, if we can get past this daily pivot on US 30, I think that'll be it for me. Yeah, I think that's my plan. If we get a nice little close above the daily pivot, I'm in on that.
Got some tunes going here, bro.
Hey, stop it. Stop it. Stop your
Naz
nonsense.
is-
Stop your nonsense. Don't do it. Don't do it. Stay right there. Don't break those lows.
Alex, bro, I'm hoping you didn't put the house on it.
Oh, Alex was in the oof. Alex, are you okay? Did you survive that?
Did you execute already, Alex? I think that's the question.
I hope he waited. I don't have the guts to execute just before market open.
Yeah. That's like a degen account thing, bro.
No,
Like,
just-
you must
just
just be
before.
ready to go, yeah.
Chad, as long as we respect these lows, we'll be okay. If those lows get taken,
I'm in, but I exaggerated on the house. No, bro. We obviously just joking as well.
This position's in trouble. This position. Okay. You took liquidity. Stop. Stop. See, this is why I don't watch. That's your 40 pips in the wrong direction, Mo. 40 pips in the wrong damn direction. And that's what I'm saying. I'm really hoping it doesn't wick me out and then turn. Because Naz can be a jerk like that.
These pairs are a bit choppy in here today, bro. What are they gonna do?
A little chopper-rah-rah.
Chaparara.
Oh, sorry, chat. Did not even notice how off-center that was.
Ooh.
This whole split screen thing was after my time. Okay, that's what I like to see. That's what I like to see. Turn around, baby, turn around. That's a massive wick, though.
Ooh, gold. Turning around.
Lyndon, the mincemeat actually sounds like it would slap. I might give me some mincemeat tonight. That might be a vibe, actually.
Boys are... They're clearly hungry, yeah.
Oh, that might be a vibe. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go from here. I'm gonna go to get groceries first, then go to gym. Because I've got into the habit of getting to gym, training, and then fuffing around, talking to people, and the grocery store closes on me. So I'm gonna go get food first, then go gym. Did Chris have to pick up his kid?
Yeah, I had to go pick up the kids.
Ah.
Let's see what markets are going to do for us here today, Chad.
Last week was Wagyu steaks. This week it's noodles. Oh, at least you tasted them Wagyu steaks, bro. Some of us don't even know what that tastes like. Is it better to have Wagyu'd and lost than to have never Wagyu'd at all? Are you in on the cracker?
The cracker would have actually not been in yet.
Oh.
It would have not. And I did say to the guys, I'm not taking it today.
What? I missed that.
Yeah, so Chad, let me give you guys a quick rundown on what the cracker is doing, since I'm not trading it today and no one in the community should be in it anyway. So you guys have a look at this. Look how wide that range is for the cracker, firstly, okay? Secondly, as you said, you would have to have a break below here or break above there. From market open, we did trade, but we never broke it. So traded up, traded back down. And again, the rule states, if we talk technicals, if 90 seconds the trade's not even in our way, it is most likely going against us. So hence, I am not in this trade.
Fair enough, fair enough.
So no cracker for me.
Only mincemeat.
That's it, bro. It smack that TP. Ooh.
I'm hoping.
The Guys are they're now getting aggressive with it.
Be aggressive. Be aggressive. Come on. I think we're good, Chad. I think we're good. It came close, tapping us out, but I think we're good. Both the D-Gen and the main account is still alive and still breathing. How wide is this open range so far? Only 53 pips. We'll see if we can enter a Power Ranger after this.
Okay, Chad. Now you guys saw. Remember, I said I'm not taking this. You guys are gonna see if a lot of guys are like, they like tell you like 90 seconds. Let's see if the stats are right. I said if I take this trade now and it's been more than 90 seconds, trade's most likely gonna go against us. Let's see what would have happened here.
Linden, no, Newton Park side, but I train at the VA Lorraine, so I always drive past that side. Ah, Linden, you're stalking me. You don't say hi or nothing. Although I've
Giddy, I traded 60 pips, so this would have been the trade. Let's drop. Sorry, head.
would that have been a win?
No, he's asking, so I'm just showing him. This is what would be the trade. That would be the Crackers trade now today. But I'm not in this trade, guys. I'm just showing. So
Jeez, there has been no volume today.
Keep in mind, you guys saw the Cracker hit this in 1 minute candle. That TP.
No volume
So
today.
just so you can see what I'm talking about, that there's no volume, things like this. So it's So nothing. I'm trading USD today.
Always by the robots. You must say hi. Although I have, I'm like, I have tunnel vision when I drive, guys. Like I am super focused. So every now and again, it's like someone will hoot at me, and by the time I turn and look, I can't see who that was. I'm not the most observant person when I'm driving. I'm like, straight ahead.
There we go. So it looks like USD wants that breakout today.
Ah, geez, I was not expecting sells in US30.
So far, Cracker would have been right, but still a long way to TP.
Sheesh.
So that would have been there. Let's just see. So 60s.
Massive sell-off.
There.
Okay, don't follow, Naz. Don't follow. Do your own thing. You are a strong, independent instrument. You do not have to do what US30 is doing.
So that would have been the Cracker there, guys.
Come on, even the dollar is selling off. Come on. Come on, Naz. Come on, Naz. Come on. Don't be that guy. Don't be that guy. Come now, don't be that guy.
His Naz also going now.
Oh, you son of a! Dash it. That's annoying. Oh, that's annoying. Oh well, stop that. Break even on that, Chad. Freaking. What was that? 10 pips from TP. I should have just taken it, if I'm being honest with you. Because I sacrificed, what, 58 pips for 10 more? I should have just taken it. Oh well, you live, you learn. That's going. And round 2, Power Ranger. Let's get rid of these levels because they are no longer applicable.
Dun, dun, dun. So it was. Okay. So the cracker did it TP then, bro?
See, you mustn't doubt the power of the cracker.
Hey, bro. Even myself, I'm sometimes like, "Ish, cracker, what you smoking here?"
Like, is this actually gonna work? I'm not sure. I don't think so.
Ricks. I don't know, bro. Yo, I don't know, bro. Chris and myself are actually going to talk about that, so I forgot about the whole genre thing. Let's see. Yeah, obviously Chris isn't yet now, so I don't know how we're going to go about it. I think we normally post it early in the morning. I think for the first one, we're going to put people on the spot. So we'll put it, because since it is genre, when we post the link, we'll post the genre with it.
Okay, Jordan, I'm not that bad. But when I do look, I'll look at the car. I'm not looking at who's in the car. Yo, Chad, that was annoying now. How long I was in that trade for? Oh, that's irritating. Anyway, I didn't have a reason to go out earlier. Mora is nog een dag.
This is what the market under Trump is going to look like. Big moves, yes. But Jonathan, go back the last two weeks, 3 weeks. Go look at that. Don't look at what this week. This week has been cuck. The moves, the volatility today that we see, and yes, these type of big ranges. But the ranging market we've been having, no.
Yeah, it's been ranging. I think there's a lot of indecision because like Trump wants his massive tariffs. He's kind of getting them. He's not really. Market's unsure if it's a really good thing or a really bad thing. Blah, 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 blah.
Yeah, so it's a bit of back and forth at the moment.
Yeah. Stefan, nah, I shouldn't have been because it was still an intraday trade. We didn't go overnight. Nope. Complete break even.
Let's see it, chat. What's USD gonna do at the daily S?
Oh, I got slipped in my personal account though. Bullshit's that.
Maybe USD holds this. But keep in mind, guys, if this is going to be the day it breaks that range, USD has a very long way down. It can still go. I mean, first target for me would be that 44,110.
I wouldn't have had an entry on this myself.
What's that on?
US 30. It just ran. It just ran. I wouldn't have anticipated that.
Yeah, USD, I heard people, bro. Maybe it wants to hold the daily S1. I don't think it's going to. Probability tells us this thing is going to drop. Nice little drop kick here for US30. What do you think, Ed?
I don't know. That's not my cup of tea, eh?
Let's say
Not my cup
could
of tea.
retrace.
It could. It might. I don't think I want any part of it. But it's right on that daily S1, eh? What's on the 15? If the 15 closes nice, maybe. I think I'll wait for the 15. I'm not going to wait for the 5. Same thing on NAS, because we're hitting previous daily low now. If it doesn't just run.
It could have a nice pullback, yeah. Definitely could do something. But it's gotta decide.
But I'm not against both NAS and US30 bleeding. I don't like NAS trading so close to all-time highs. I like a little bit of breathing room.
Keys on put this was on Vault. I don't know, bro. I'm not trading with Vault at the moment. So I don't know. I haven't deposited or needed to deposit. Whew, there, USD wants to bleed still.
Sheesh.
Bro, USD is volatile today, bro.
Nah, dude, it's
That thing's hurting people. It's hurting people.
NAS too, right? NAS is
I want to see what this 5
NAS
minute
is
does, here, guys.
falling.
I'm gonna see what this 5 does, then maybe I'll take something.
Nah, NAS is a little too extended for me.
Then maybe I take something. A little something. Good to see you, Keeks and all. Good to see you, brother. Always glad having you all here and part of the Chad. I want to see how this 5's gonna close for us. Oh, don't run now. Yes. So
They're not in the mood to play game, dude. Like Nas is gone. Nas is
Naz is gone.
Nas is gone. 160 pips from the open. Nope. That's that. US 30. No, I'm not here for this. I think I'm out, Chad. Things just ran without us. Jigs, you gotta back yourself, man. You gotta back yourself. Why didn't you go in?
She's Naz put me to sleep, bro. I think I put a lot of people to sleep today. These pairs are coming alive. I'm just waiting, guys. I want to see what this 5's gonna close like, yeah. Because when this 5 gives us an idea that hourly things are getting interesting.
You're looking to short.
Yeah. Okay, Chad, that's it. I'm taking a short.
Hey, here we go, Chad.
We're doing a quick 30 pip stop because that's underneath there. And then we're going to go for 1 to 2, basically just under the previous daily high. Where we can see volume drive in. Let's do that view. 30 pip, so that will be our break even point. So let's see what market is going to do for us.
Let's go. Yo, dude, my body is so sore.
This is a very aggressive trade, guys. Keep in mind, this is not the cracker or anything like that. This is just me taking some trades.
This is that intuition trading. This is that structure trading. This is that FTMO funded trader trading.
How long does FTMO payouts via bank transfer take, gigs? Depending on your bank, I know some banks are longer than others, and as I said, there's little tips and tricks on how to get your payouts quicker, but anything between 2 to 4 days, bro. But I normally bank on 2 days.
Don't worry, Rex. This is my cruising. This is my cruising body weight now. I'm not gonna get significantly bigger. What am I chilling at now? Like 118 this morning. Plans to hover here.
Keeks, how far you think Nas can drop seeing this movement? You'll break out. I want to really look at other stuff now while I'm in a trade.
Well, the daily S2.
I'd say
a couple pips away.
Back down our support there, so 21,820.
21,820. Oh shit, that fall. Perhaps.
Okay, Chad. If you guys are straight, we're gonna go break even soon. So just watch, yeah.
Shot Linden. Have a solid day.
Hey, cheers, and have a good one, brother. Come on, play nice. Play nice. Chad, I'm break even. See, Chad, as much as we trade the cracker, I still can't trade. We still got our 60. Hey, there we go, Chad. Come on, baby. Just get it there for us. Get it. Okay, guys, I'm actually setting my stops. My stops at my BE point. Purely because if we have a quick reversal now, this previous daily low can be the point. Okay, come on, baby. Come on.
Yeah, absolutely.
Go.
Sank.
Go. Come on. There we go, baby.
Round one. Fight.
Finish him.
Going
Fatality.
through all of them, yeah, guys.
Fatality.
Hey.
Well done,
TP,
Kigo.
baby. Chad. Thank you very much. Thank you. Catch me same time tomorrow. Easy as you like it. There we go. Check that thing run, guys. Check it run.
Beautiful trade.
There we go. Nice 1-2, baby. Nice 1-2.
Does not get much better than that, Chad. Sure, this is one-way traffic. Jeez.
Chad, you know what's coming. You know what's coming. Alright guys, another W on stream. Caught with the guys, now it's 1-2. And this thing is just dropping. We said to the guys, this thing can drop, but hey, that's not the plan. We stick to the plan. We took our 60. But again, if you took a W with us, send it in the chat there, guys. Everyone winning here with us. Check all those W's, baby. Whew, doesn't get better than this. Yo, bro. Chad, we might have closed a bit prematurely there, but...
Listen, this thing... Freaking 250 pips since they opened.
But there, that's that 4 hour, guys. So 4 hour close now. And this is now we would say that 44,000. Nice one there for us.
Freaking reversed. How many days it take to form that range? 6 days worth of price action reversed.
That.
Huh?
Davey Keys, that was a nice catch, no drawdown.
6 days worth of price action gone in 1 4 hour candle. Insane.
Crazy, bro. That's what we said, this just needed to break out. That breakout happens, it's game on now.
What's messing with my brain is, what's this thing? The dollar index is barely moved.
Yeah. Crazy trade like my.
did Trump tweet something? This seems excessive.
I left 2 runners on USD, finding some moves on these indices. Wow, this movement, that could trade keys. She's bulls climb stairs, bears jump out the window. Nah, guys, there was a nice one there today. We can't complain about that one. As much as we'd like to complain, we can't. So nobody What's that?
Stefan's comment.
Yeah. No, I got halfway reading that and I was like, I can't finish the sentence.
Oh, that was beautiful.
No, guys, nice, very, very nice trade there for us this afternoon.
Yeah, I think that's me done, Chad. Mora is nog een dag.
Yeah, Chad, honestly, I don't think I'm going to take anything else, guys. We caught a nice little beauty there to finish it off for the day. Cracker was right. We can't doubt the cracker, guys. So, again, great one here on the markets. Never took the cracker. That thing would have been a beautiful trade. The cracker wanted its trade over here. This was the cracker entry. So yeah, cracker would have been there, and same thing, could have just aimed for previous daily lows. 2R, 3R. I mean, yes, there's your 200 pips. So if you took the cracker, you were holding 200 pips done for the day. But yeah, very, very nice one, guys. Again, nice lead up to the end of the week. We said it's been a good week. We're going to finish this week strong. So again, hope you guys enjoyed it. Let's go split screen quickly. Full screen chats. But Ed, thanks for joining me today, bro. Any closing remarks over there?
No, Chad, just those of you who caught that, do not go and ruin your evening by trying to catch another one and getting greedy. And if you missed that, same thing. Don't ruin your evening by trying to be greedy. Markets are pretty extended right now. Be smart, save your capital. Tomorrow's another trading day.
That's it, guys. So as always, again, thank you so much for all of you that jumped in and joined us today. We're going to see you guys same place, same time tomorrow, especially London Station for Friday Forgotten Bangers. Make sure you come prepared because this time it's genres, baby. So we're going to see what the first genre is going to be for us and have a look at that. And again, everyone else, we'll see you for New York tomorrow to finish off another W week, baby. We could have asked for a better start to 2025. So take care of yourselves, take care of each other. Peace and love, baby. Cheers, Chad.
Cheers, Chad.
Turn around, I feel the breeze over me. You watch your dreams unfold. Let it come around and let it breathe over me. It's time to go away into the light. I feel the calming energy. I see the darkness coming. It's the unknown, the unknown. It's time to go away into the light. I feel the calming energy. I see the darkness coming. I'm calling for you.